Here we're assembling automatic windows openers. Very important step. I just have called today. Somebody could not do it. So this one right here has a cooler. So we keep the cooler here, right there. And they are in a cooler. Before we install them, we keep them in a cooler. So because it's obvious when they're cold, they must be. So this one's right here. They're both installed. This one is in a cooler. Just installed it. This has been on the table for maybe 10 minutes. And it's wide open. It will be harder to assemble this one. So keep them cold at the right temperature. Room temperature. You don't have to put them in a cooler as long as they're not under open sun. This is the next thing. I want to show you how I assemble them. So I got this, then I have another part. It is rod, and here's the difference between the rod that's installed and uninstalled. See how far they expand. I'm not sure if you see the difference. Anyway, here's how I'm installing them. I'm taking the springs off. Taking springs off. Since I have a lot of them, I do them all at once on the table. And then I spin them inside. You can take this thing apart if you want, but if you don't, just like go directly here, just like that, and spin in. When you get in, open this until you see holes for the pins right there, and now so that's where you put them in. So first, get this thing in. Next thing is screw this thing in. Next thing, put the pin in and leverage pin and install back springs as so. Just like that. And these guys, you can just I usually use the hammer or screwdriver just to push them like this and call it good. It's ready to go. Next thing, you put these brackets on right here, anywhere, and brackets on their side.